finally today. You might be talking while I'm talking maybe because I'm not. Guys, in my last video, which I was trying to record the video, and pretty much that was the most silliest video I could ever make. Oh no. And I got interrupted like 100 times. And yeah, but now let's take a look at maps over here. Look, go over here. And I'm sorry if this is going to be really boring, guys. Probably it's going to be a boring video for you guys because I cannot really see anything without getting interrupted. I got my little. I was over here as well, like this, and Ipswich. This is Ipswich, even though it looks like Haverhill and feels like Haverhill. The small river nearby. It leads straight into sea. It doesn't feel like you're just gonna slide into the river and you go straight to sea. Pretty crazy, isn't it? What? United Kingdom? What? If you go so far, there we go. Where shall we go? Nah, none of these other stuff really work. I think there's a tiny little bit of Come here. Now let's just type in London. Would have to be capital. Okay. London. Okay. Just to take out capitally and is actually a little similar than lowercase e. If you think about your little e over here, let me see. Let me show you guys a little bit over here, okay? Lowercase and capital. Now you see this little thing over here? This is like a little line, and this is this little line up. Except this little line is like a little curvy, and this is straight. Where just to remove that little curvy parts over it, it's not like this. It's tiny little like this, then like this. Except with only of these curves missing. It's exactly like this with an added extra. Like this one's supposed to be the middle one. With this curvy one, it's like the top. I'm not really sure about it. Okay, but let's just remove it. Okay, never mind. But yeah. Oh no. I think I can just turn a bit. Hello, tiny over here. Look. Gavin, I'm sorry, maybe. I think. Whatever. I think no. And yeah, I can go in these houses and I can find my way. Any of these houses can do. I got my road. Right. I think I'm a little lost in a little town. yeah, thank you guys for watching this little video. I hope you just enjoyed it. And yeah, people actually the Novi are really nice. And yay, thank you guys for watching. And I will see you later. Bye!